great aspect about this tool is the software. So we have two different elements in this software. There is the software that controls the human-machine interface that is usually loaded on the computer that is next to the machine. And this one is great, you can see, so you will be able to directly install it on your computer. You will have in it the ability to control the different parameters of the machine, whether it is temperatures or pressures of the different gases. You will be also to select some automation tracks. So what I mean by this is you will select a recipe, or you will be able to create recipes. And in our case, recipes, what do they mean? They mean, for example, if you want to develop a new material, you will select the new material development recipe, and you will be able to select which parameters you want to vary, how many different types of depositions you want to make, and you will be able to right away select which material you want to develop, and it will directly, after you put your substrates on the machine, it will be able to start printing.